Hi guys, today I want to talk about sidechain, how to make sidechain in Goa Trance with Goa Trance basslines, because I recently get some questions how to do it and can I make video about it. So I know there is a lot of videos on YouTube already about sidechain, but I also have to listen to my subscribers. So today I want to show you how to make very nice sidechain for your bass. Sidechain basically means that we have to make plays for our kick on the bass line. But of course we can do the sidechain for other elements in the mix like leads, like percussion and this kind of sound. But today we're gonna cover kick and bass topic and how to make a good sidechain. So I will show you how to make very nice audio effect rack in Ableton and you will see how it sounds. So I will just show you maybe without percussion how this example sounds without sidechain and with. Look at this. So it's without. And with. All right, so this rack will be available in my Patreon if you want to download it for free. All right, so I will now turn it off. And first thing, what I want to tell you about kicks and bass lines in Goa Trance. So here now you have only 4x4 bits. But for example, I will do the same thing. I will take my kick 7 from my newest sample pack Eclipse. So it's kick 7. Look at this, how much is it? I will take this one because it will be much easier for me to do the more advanced patterns. Okay, so first of all I will do like random. I'm normal 4x4 bit. So now we have this. And I want to make it more advanced. So I will go into 4 bars. So now we have this. So I will duplicate it. And let's say I will add one note here. I will add one note here. And maybe 2 of them I will add here. Maybe even one more like that. And I want to make it nice. Okay, let's do something like this. All right, so let's keep this one example. And as you can see, now we have kick and bass, and the kick isn't like just 4x4. So what is the best option actually here for the Goa Trance bassline? If you have some money to spend, if you can, I recommend to get the Trackspacer. So Trackspacer, it's amazing. It's amazing VST for sidechain. I really love it to use for kick and basses and for example, layering leads in Goa Trance. If you want to, for example, if you have few layers of the same melody, and you want to make one more prominent, then you can use this one, and you can select your frequency you want to have docked in your sound, and then it works really well. So here, what you have to do, if you have a Trackspacer, you have to go into sidechain here, and I will choose my kick. It's Eclipse kick 7 is this one. So now I choose, look in the if you open it like default preset, it will be like this. So it's really heavy, like a sidechain now. So you can, for example, here you don't even need to do sound like anything, but you, or actually maybe we can do like low cut 42 because the kick, you can see your kick. Look, kick, it's about 60 is main frequency. It's about 58 hertz. So here you can go into 50, even maybe 50, let's say. And here what you can do, because now look at this, how it sounds. It's really heavy docking, but I want to go through with my mid and highs frequencies. So let's go and do, and we can isolate like this. Without, look. So now you can hear the low frequencies are docked and the high frequencies, you can hear them. Look, without. And of course you can adjust it as you want. Maybe you can do like this. All right, that's perfect. I love Trackspacer, and if you can get it, I really recommend to do this. And if you don't have Trackspacer, what you can do, you can do something like this. Let's add audio effect track here. So it will be a little bit more advanced sidechain than you can see on YouTube. So here, what we have to do, let's add create chain. So I will rename it, and it will have low, and I will duplicate this, and this one I will call mid high. So it's about frequencies. So now I double click into low, and here I will add, no, excuse me, not this. I will have to add EQ8 here, and here I will turn off these filters. So now we can just change it into low, into high cut. So it's a low pass filter. All right, so low pass filter, we're gonna go into 200 hertz. So now if we have it set it on 200 hertz, I will even engage high quality. Here, right clicking, and now I will copy it. I will go to mid high, and I will paste it here. But here we're gonna go into high pass filter. So now we have low pass in 200 hertz and high pass in 200 hertz. So basically now we're gonna have much better control on these two ranges of our bass. All right, so now on the lows, we're gonna add compressor. Let's go into compressor here. So make sure it's in the rack. So now let's go with the knee to 0. And here we are in the lows. So now here, if you want to your compressor to work, we have to click external, and then we have to choose our kick. So it's this one. You don't have to change anything here. And here I will go into, let's say 60 hertz, because it will duck around our 62 hertz as our kick. But you don't have, you can even keep it like 84 or something, just white here in this range, in the low section. Here you don't have to change anything. And now let's go, I will copy it. I will go to mid-high, paste, and what we're gonna do here, I will change it to 200 Hertz, something like this, because look, low, if we have low, we need to, I will play it, maybe I will turn off the Trackspacer, and now I will even turn off the mid-highs here. So now we're gonna duck the low frequencies. The best option is to see it just here in this one, in this mode. Look at this. So as you can see here, the compressor was working on our more complex notes. So that's why it's really important to have it. So, okay, so now we have this one set, and low frequencies, basically we want to duck a little bit more than mid-high frequencies. All right? Something like this. So our kick have a place for punch. Now I'm going to mid-high, and what we're gonna do here, the same mode, and we're gonna duck just a little bit. You can of course go more if you want, but I think this one sounds much better like that. Look at this. Without, look at this, without. And with. And always you can go to lows, and then you can try different threshold combination and see what sounds the best for you. So this is more advanced sidechain, and look, I will compare it to what we had in Trackspacer. Look, I will play it, my rack and Trackspacer now. It's something new. I hope you're gonna like it. Make sure to try it. You can also do the sidechain just adding one compressor. Here we're gonna add external, and even you don't have to change anything, and you go with threshold down. Maybe you're gonna like this option more than this more advanced. So today in this video I showed you 3 options what you can do and how you can do your sidechain for your bass. So you can, for example, buy Trackspacer, and you can do more advanced sidechain with low and mid-high ranges, and you can do simple sidechain with compressor like that. So you don't have to change anything. It's the most simple way how to make your kick and bass more clean. So if we have it, look, I will play it now with rest of my samples. It's actually, as I said, it's these samples are from my sample pack Eclipse. As you can see, a lot of different nice samples. Look at this. All right, I will play it now. Look at this. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and see you in next videos.